Hey guys, welcome back. We're here touring this beautiful school again. We're gonna run into some students today. Oh, look who it is! Found us a student to be able to give us a tour and be able to show us the best parts of this. What's your name?
Hunter Garrett.
Hunter Gear. Okay, can you tell us where we are right now?
We're in the hallway.
Okay.
Free snacks, free snacks.
Free snacks? Oh my god, where?
Free snacks, free snacks. This way, very trustworthy.
Heck yeah, I want some free snacks. Alright, what do I have to do?
You gotta do is sign here and put all your information in.
What's the problem? I'm just trying to get my free snack.
This is not BBB certified. Be careful where you put your information. BBB ensures that your information is safe and secure at all times.